Hi, so we've talked about this before, how to get hold of stuff. So you get stuff to make things from. In one way is just to keep your eyes open. The biggest way is just to ask. Now I've come down to Reclamit, which is the biggest scrapyard in Kent, and they're a really nice bunch of guys who are basically willing to help if you ask. So I've asked them, do they mind if I have a look around? And they said no. So let's have a look around the yard. So a bin load of used fire extinguishers. Now fire extinguishers are made from lots of different materials. The bulk of them are steel bodied.
And that steel, especially in pipe form, can be tremendously useful. So let's grab a load of them.
What we're going to do is use 4 of these things, casters. Now I'm going to fix them to the bench because I've got a big old solid wooden bench. If you don't, then a plank of wood's going to do it just as well. And all we really do is screw those in at the correct distance. That will then rest on there and be able to turn, and we put a block in there and it's going to turn in one line. Okay, so I mean this is so simple it's almost embarrassing, hey? All I've done is hose clip the angle grinder to a block of wood and stuck a hinge on the bottom. Now all I've got to do is just line that up a little bit. That'll do it. And then screw that down to the bench. Okay, now I'm ready to give it a go. Okay, that worked awesomely. Talk about a super simple setup. It did a beautiful straight cut. And you can tell just because how that balances on there so nicely. So anyway, there we go. But I wanted to show you a couple of other things that it could cut, in particular these things. These things are very popular for doing all kinds of stuff, and in video 1407 I go through how to empty these and make them safe. And in this video what we're going to do is cut the top off. So there we go, a beautiful cut in our gas cylinder, and now we can use that as part of our stove. Okay, I've got a bit of soil pipe here, because this truly is a pain in the neck to cut. It won't quite fit in a saw, and you can see how square it is. If I just hold a pen and mark that soil pipe, and then the line joins up, no trouble at all. So we've got to do exactly the same thing, only it'll cut this plastic beautifully and a little easier. So let's cut the plastic off. Here you go, beautiful cut in the plastic pipe as well. Now it's got other uses. I had to clean the edges of that, so you can see it's got a nice clean edge. I've got the grinder attachment on the angle grinder. It makes doing all those jobs really a piece of cake. Beautiful finish on that. So there you go, a really easy jig to make out of 4 casters and a block of wood that's got a ton of uses. If you actually took the casters away, of course, you could use it as a square cutter as well for just lumps of metal. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the idea. I hope you find use for it. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.